Is Rainbow Six Siege refusing to connect to Uplay, leaving you stranded before you can even breach the first wall? First up, let's make sure all your game files are intact. Because corrupted files can cause all sorts of connection issues, head over to your Steam library, right-click on Rainbow Six Siege, and select Properties. Now, navigate to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process might take a few minutes, but it's crucial to ensure a smooth connection. Next, let's check the Ubisoft Connect app itself. Make sure it's fully updated. An outdated client can lead to compatibility problems. Restart Ubisoft Connect after updating if prompted. Still no luck? Let's try restarting both Rainbow Six Siege and Ubisoft Connect. Completely open your task manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Look for any instances of Rainbow Six Siege or Ubisoft Connect and end those tasks then. Relaunch the Uplay client before starting Rainbow Six Siege. Your firewall could be blocking the connection. Open your Windows Firewall Settings and make sure Rainbow Six Siege and Ubisoft Connect are allowed through the firewall. You might need to add them manually as exceptions. Lastly, it might be a network issue. Restart your router or modem to refresh your internet connection. This simple step often resolves temporary connectivity glitches that can interfere with the game's ability to find Uplay. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back in the action in no time, finally able to dominate the battlefield without those frustrating connection interruptions.